Yeah, thank you. Some of the origins of Islam in America came actually very early on. We don't know exactly who were the first Muslims coming to the U.S. Some were potentially coming with the early explorers from Portugal and from Spain with the Christopher Columbus and some of his travels, as many of the Muslims at that point were map makers and navigators. They were navigating the boats and they were making maps because those were some of the professions that were very popular among the North African, the Moroccan, and others who were working with the Europeans on the exploring the world.
Oke, dan tidak bisa dipastikan secara jelas kapan umat Muslim masuk ke daratan Amerika Serikat. Ada juga studi yang mengatakan bahwa mereka datang bersama dengan kapalnya Christopher Columbus waktu itu, karena memang kala itu banyak sekali tenaga ahli Muslim dari Maroko yang dipakai untuk membuat pemetaan sama navigasi kapal, dan mereka juga bekerja di kapalnya Columbus.
And also many African Americans in the very sad period of our American history, many of the slaves who were brought against their will from Africa to the United States, we estimate that about 10% of them were Muslim.
Dan juga banyak juga keturunan African American yang datang ke Amerika di masa-masa sedihnya Amerika, yaitu ketika mereka membawa budak dari Afrika sana. Diyakini 10% daripada budak tersebut menganut agama Islam.
And this picture shows an American Muslim family in their prayers in their home. As in the early times, there were very few mosques in many parts of the U.S. as the Muslim population came to the U.S., especially in the early 19th century. Many of them came to the U.S. from the Middle East, from Jordan, from that part of the world to seek better employment and seek the better conditions for their families. So many of them were praying in their homes at that time.
Oke, nah ini adalah contoh